Today, I worked on a car that came into the shop with the check engine light on. The customer mentioned no major performance issues, just that the warning light was illuminated. After connecting a scan tool to the vehicle, I found the code P0420, Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1, Schnorr. This code often points to issues with the catalytic converter or related components. I started by performing a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. One thing stood out: the oxygen sensor readings. The downstream oxygen sensor, B1S2, was showing parameters almost identical to the upstream oxygen sensor, B1S1. This usually indicates that the catalytic converter isn't storing oxygen effectively, which is one of its key functions. Next, I visually inspected the catalytic converter but didn't notice any external damage or obvious signs of wear. To confirm my findings, I used a non-contact pyrometer to measure the temperatures at the inlet and outlet of the catalytic converter. Ideally, the outlet temperature should be higher than the inlet temperature, as the catalytic converter generates heat while cleaning exhaust gases. However, in this case, the inlet temperature was higher than the outlet, which confirmed an internal failure of the catalytic converter. After diagnosing the issue, I replaced the faulty catalytic converter along with the exhaust manifold, as they are part of a single integrated assembly in this vehicle. After completing the replacement, I cleared the error codes and took the car for a road test. The vehicle performed perfectly and the check engine light remained off. No fault codes returned, confirming the repair was successful. Explanation: the P0420 code is one of the most common error codes related to emissions systems. If left unresolved, it can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and even damage to other engine components. By replacing the catalytic converter, I restored the vehicle's ability to properly process exhaust gases and maintain optimal performance. Remember, a faulty catalytic converter can result from long-term issues like poor engine tuning or unresolved misfires, so addressing the root cause is always important.